Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Hello. Happy morning. Why am I recording? I'm so excited that I'm recording today because we are going to California. This trip is a 6-hour flight from North Carolina to California, and it's a hectic schedule because we kind of planned our itinerary full packed. And by Wednesday, I hope you get to see my high school friend. And yeah, and you're gonna be coming with me. Let's go. Alright, I just arrived here in my friend's house. I'm just gonna drop off my car here and we're gonna go to the airport. See ya. Ano ba yun? Sayang. 45. Done with the TSA and now going to United Club. San Francisco later on. Let's go to the lunch. Yes. Hello. So now we are currently in United Airlines lounge. And yeah, we're just gonna wait for the flight. We are currently in the lounge and I want to show you their food. Let's try them. Ayan, kakain na tayo. Let's eat. Let's eat. Wait a minute, I want to show you our food. That's our food. There we go. That's 100 years of United. Yay! Perks of being a credit card holder. Haha. Hello? Hello? Mic test. This is what the lounge looks like. Oh, there you go. So, in just a few moments, we're gonna be boarding the plane. I'll see you guys there. Bye-bye. We are going to ride a train going to our place. We're gonna be having a stop on Civic Center through Richmond. We are at the train. Ayan. So, a quick story. Nawala yung book bag ko. ng 3 minutes sa akin. I kind of forget this book bag doon sa isang upuan. Buti na lang may AirTag. That's a very very good thing to have, AirTag talaga. At buti may train agad na pabalik kasi if ever nga may paperworks pang magagawin at kung ano-ano. So buti na lang natagpuan. Ay, hindi ko na ulit kakalimutan to. After arriving here at Civic Center Station, we are going on a hotel. Taas nito ang tarik. This is a nice station. A peaceful one, by the way. Diba? Ang ganda ng capital nila. Nice. So nice. Unpack now. So this is our hotel looks like. Good morning everyone. Good morning. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. Happy Easter everyone. Happy Pasko ng pagkabuhay. Good morning San Francisco. Now we are walking towards the UN Plaza. And we're gonna board a bus going to Battery Spencer. Let's go. Now we are walking towards the Capitol. This is the view in the morning. It's like $5 for a pen. Kay ganda Jeff. Nasa Zoom. Asa sa lalaki nasa Zoom. Hello. Good morning, San Francisco. We are now in the Golden Gate Bridge. Ang Golden Gate Bridge, the very famous. And later on, baka pumunta tayo sa iba pang parts para makita natin ang mas buo. Ganda! So there's a small gate just for you to be crossing this one to go to the Spencer Battery. Battery Spencer? Spencer? Battery Spencer. There we go. See? Nice. How nice that is. Ta-da! And we're gonna go here. And now we're gonna be doing a trail 1.6 miles to go up there. We don't have a bike. We don't know how to rent a bike, so we're gonna go up hill. There we go. We're trying to reach that peak over there. Can do it. It's only 1.6 miles. New York nga, nilalakad natin ng kahaba-haba. Right. Now, we're almost at the peak of the Battery Spencer. And yeah, from there to up here. And don't blame us. We're still young, but look at those cyclists, right? They're climbing up this mountain slowly and surely. Not because we're old and we're slow, but because it's very steep. See? And yeah, we have reached this viewpoint. But
You have to climb like 750 feet above that area. And life update, buhay pa kami. We have reached the viewpoint. How nice. Ayan. The Golden State Bridge here at Battery Spencer. Hello, magandang umaga. Nandito tayo sa Battery Spencer, na kung saan lahat ng tao dito ay hingal, at kung hindi hingal, ikaw ay siklista tulad nila. Mag-interview tayo. Kuya. Now, just like Corregidor, this also serves as their base. Yeah. When they got a Gera back then. Ooh, what's that? What's that Pokemon? No, just kidding. There we go. One last glance for Batos Unidos. That's the picnic area here. There we go. The view of the Golden State Bridge. And we're going up. Sabi nga ni Rufa May, we're going up. And now we're going to have lunch here in Roundhouse Cafe. Kana mukha ako dun. There we go. Willkommen, benvenuti, welcome, benvindo, karibo, maligayang pagdating sa roundhouse na ito. Gutom na tayo. Mama, Papa, andito na ako sa Amerika. Mama, Papa. Ay, okay. Suspension. Like, hello everybody. We are now here in the Palace of Fine Arts. Init.
Ay, bisa kayak gitu basta ka. Ay, bisa.
Beautiful. Hello, we are now in the Palace again of Fine Arts. Ganda. Sobrang ganda. Napakaganda. Pinakagilid lang yan. Meron tayong na kung saan nandito ang mga bibe. Kuwak. Wala akong gusto sabihin. Wala masyado. Ganda lang. Tignan nyo na lang. Ito kakakyat. Pataas ang aakitin namin. Para lang mapunta yung long and windy road. Hindi pala. Ano ba yung kanta yung long and windy road? Kita nyo ba kung gano'ng ka-steep yan? Ayan o. Grabe. Kapagod. Ay, gusto ko ito videohan. Pinunta nila. Ito pa yung pinagpagura namin. Diba? cute.
You gotta try this.
Oh. Oh. That's the long winding road.
来都来了，我们在这里拍一张照。
Here, stand up. Everybody got a hold hands, take a bow.
We're gonna see some lions. Here we go. Those are the sea lions. Try to zoom in. They're just para sa lahat. Thank you.